Hi, welcome to Julio's Bar. Today we're gonna mix a Pour Me Another. So the Pour Me Another is a cocktail created in 2015 in Trondheim, Norway by Noel Ekstrand. And I'm proposing it to you today just because it sounds like a good recipe. It has these ingredients and let's get down to mixing it. We're gonna need some wet ice, so let me get some ice. Let me pour a bit of water on it. I'm gonna give it a quick stir. Then I'm gonna discard the water. And then we are ready to start pouring ingredients, and I'm gonna start with the absinthe. I have here Lafay Absinthe Superior 68%. I think there are two kinds of Lafay Absinthe, or maybe even more, but this is the stronger one. Anyway, 5 milliliters, so 1 teaspoon. And then we go with 7.5 milliliters of Pedro Ximénez sherry. And so I'm gonna still use a teaspoon, but I'm just gonna overflow it. Just like that. And then we are already on the finishing line of our cocktail. Then we're gonna need 45 milliliters, an ounce and a half, of Rémy Martin, well, cognac. In this case, Rémy Martin, and so 45 milliliters. And then all that's left to do, well, a couple more things left to do, but now let's stir this.
And nothing stays the same, and nothing ever happens to you that will happen to you again.
Hopefully I found a good Norwegian song to play while I was stirring. Let's get our chill cocktail glass and let's strain our cocktail. A small glass is enough in this case. And let's express some lemon peel. And there you go. A Pour Me Another. Cheers. Yeah, this is good. Absinthe and Pedro Ximénez sherry work wonderfully over the base of cognac. They interact with each other in a really nice way. Really like the sweetness that the Pedro Ximénez bring to the absinthe flavor. Actually, I could use a drop more absinthe. Maybe like a few drops of absinthe more. Delicious. Nice. Yeah, it's really the fact that the sweetness of a Pedro Ximénez work nicely with absinthe in a way that brings the absinthe flavors we have more toward a sweet anise liqueur or cocktail, like would be a Pernod or a Sambuca or something like that. The base of cognac helps everything staying classy and in place. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, comment down below, share with anybody you like and don't like. Stir yourself a strong cocktail just like this, and hopefully I will see you next time. Cheers. About Pour Me Another. You know how in Japan, for sake especially, these really small cups called choco are used? But also for beer. Sometimes in some traditional places, the glass for the beer is really like 200 milliliters, something really small and thin. And the main purpose is so that a man, really, that's the way it is, would have his glass refilled many times by the females at the table. Of course, I don't agree with the practice. I mean, it's a Japanese thing, I guess, derived from the fact that traditionally women are subservient to their husband and the male guys My wife hardly ever pours me drinks. In fact, I do the pouring most of the time. And I'm making cocktails, so she's happy.